Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. This is 15-inch M3 2024 and you can see the chip is M3. The RAM is 16 gigabytes and the display is 15-inch and the storage is 512 gigabytes. Okay, let me show you the battery information. The battery cycle count 81% and battery capacity is 99%. Okay, this is a starlight color. You can see the beautiful color. You can see the keyboard. The traces of use, but not used heavily. You can see, and the trackpad is normal. The trackpad function is okay. I tested it before. Okay, and let me show you the logo surface. You can see the logo. The logo, a little scratch. Little scratches here. You can see. Little scratch and here a scratch. Also, you can see M3 15-inch 2024 and no scratch here, no scratch. Let me show you the port. You can see the port. Okay, the port, no scratches, and you can see the corner, a little scratches. And let me show you this edge. Okay, a little scratch here, little scratch here. Okay, little scratch, and let me show you a little scratch here, little scratch. You can see, and let me show you the little scratch here. Okay, this edge no problem. Let me show you the 15-inch display. I changed the wallpaper. Okay, the gray color. You can see the screen is okay. No problem. No bright spots, no dark spots. Okay. And I changed another color. The bright gray, you can see. No problem. I'll show you another color, the red one. Okay, the display is okay. This price is about 5,900 CNY, 5,900 CNY. And I show you the green color. Also, no problem. And let me show you one more time the specification. You can see the battery. Okay, the battery 99%, cycle count 81, and this is M3, and RAM is 16 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, storage, and starlight color. Overall, good condition. Only here is a little scratch. You can see. Overall, good condition. 5,900. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. See you in the next video.